Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I got kind of an exciting product. This is a steering wheel cover for my Subaru. I'm going to try to put it on and just take you guys along for the ride and just kind of maybe show you how I do it. I don't really know what I'm doing. I have tried this before, so I'm just going to do my best and see how it turns out. So here's the steering wheel cover. I decided to go with a leather cover with perforated dots here, and I think it'll look pretty cool. And it came with red stitching. So I'm going to try to put this on and take you guys along with me. So thankfully it came with some pretty good instructions here. Glue tape onto the product, put on the cover, adjust the corner's position, remove the tape, insert the product into the gap. I'm going to start sewing. I'm going to tie the rope in knots. I'm going to be sewing again, and then I'm done. That's it. So yeah, that's it. What I ended up doing is taking the steering wheel out of the car. It was way easier to stitch the steering wheel on a table inside of the house. I did try to stitch it in the car, and the steering wheel control buttons were in the way. I couldn't really tuck in the material correctly to make it fit. So I brought it inside, and I'm really happy with that decision. So as far as the actual sewing or stitching goes on this project, I really don't know how to. What I did is I tied a knot on the end, and then I measured out 3 to 4 times the length of the section I was working on. And then I went ahead and cut that off and started by puncturing through the actual steering wheel material. And then I started going back and forth through the red stitches. It worked out pretty well. Everything's holding together and it's pretty tight, but I really didn't know what I was doing, and it caused a lot of frustration. So if you know how to stitch, you definitely have a one-up.
Sitting thinking I was wishing I was hoping. The vision used to look so hopeless. Living in the moment feeling so golden. Pick you up, I sit you down. Been some time, I've been around. Lit the spark, I put it out. Built the house, I broke it down. I owe you now, I don't know how, yeah. Did some things that I probably wouldn't do now. But it's over, what the fuck I'm gonna do now? Don't acting, baby, you could be you now. We gotta talk for a minute, let the truth out. Summer's over, I can feel it getting cool out. Had this one girl used to hate me, but we cool now. I guess she realized I'm gonna be famous. Taking off and everybody gotta face it. And I know that it comes with some fake shit. Life is amazing, feelings that I'm chasing. Used to have some memories, but I had to erase it. I'm in complex, I can have a girl that's basic. Things that you say, oh, I don't take it lightly.
So here's the steering wheel cover. As you can see, it's all stitched up. I was able to tuck in the perforated leather inside the steering wheel controls. The only thing that's kind of off on this, I believe, is down here there's a little bit of slack. You can see that play. But besides that, it's really nice.
They bring you down, but solo lifting you up. If you play me 2 times, then you end up on your walls. Didn't like you, know I just like your bone. Girl, don't take it like that, I'm just having fun. When you got nobody feeling sad, tell me where you wrong. Baby, do you wanna go get found? Wanna love, wanna lead this town with no bullshit and nobody around. Tell me, do you wanna